All right, before you build your dream home, you can step inside with this tech before it's even built. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where my newsletter is free. Australian company called Life Size Plans is revolutionizing the way you see your future space, and they're expanding it to the US. Their technology allows for you to walk through a full-scale projection of your home or your business, every room, every corner, exactly as it would be in person. Their expert consultant is right there with you, pointing out details you might have missed on paper. Oh, that kitchen island? Well, let's move that a bit to the left. With their movable furniture and walls, you can tweak your layout on the spot to fit the design vibe and feel that you're going for. Want to see how your car fits in the garage? Easy. Or how does that pool look from your patio? They've got you covered. No more costly mid-construction changes or builder's remorse. Life Size Plans is set to open locations across the US over the next 5 years. Can't wait? No problem. Life Size Plans is working on extended reality services, including augmented reality. This means that you might soon be able to virtually walk through your plans from the comfort of your own home. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter already, why not? Open a new browser, click the red button at cyberguy.com.